good news to you. This is the best video I'll be making on this particular channel. Now guys, I'm going to be showing you these two unknown websites that pay you in dollars just to write with AI. And the beautiful part of it is that almost everyone, almost anyone in different countries can apply. It is less competitive. A few days ago I made a video about how you can get paid and train with AI, but today I brought in another good news. Now there is this particular website that you can actually get paid just to write with AI, but it depends on the particular amount of pages you were able to write out with. It is fast and reliable. Anyone can do it. Just two unknown websites. But for disclaimer, this is not a quick make money videos. I'm not guaranteeing you any amount of money because every earnings differs. Okay, guys, if you're interested to know about this particular website that actually pays creator from any part of the country, try this particular website that is less competitive. Now that is not popular, people have not known about it. Go and apply it right now and tell me how much you'll be making in this particular website. But before I show you, let me know in the comment section where you are actually watching from. So come with me, let me show you this particular website. Come, let's go right now.
Now the first platform that pay you to actually write is WriterAccess. Yes, WriterAccess is an online platform that connects businesses and marketing agencies with freelance writers, editors, designers, and translators. Now it operates as a content production marketplace offering AI-powered talent matching, workflow management tools, stock image integrations, and publishing tools. Yes, now this is the official website. How it works is that you get content from writers. Maybe you go to store, if you have any particular project you want to do, maybe you have any particular thing you want to do, you go to stores and purchase it. Maybe you need a whiteboard marker or a paper or anything for your content creation or for you to write out a story. People can actually come and buy your stories and buy your write-ups, and then bring out something to achieve something. Some can use it to get their content marketing and all of that. And once your project or once your articles are being bought from agencies, you will be connected to more other businesses. Okay, now I know you'll be wondering, how are you going to start and create an account? Like, how are you going to sign up for this particular WriterAccess? Okay, now for you to sign up to this WriterAccess is to click on this login. Once you click on this login, this is where you are going to log in with your details for those that have already registered. But if you are new to the platform and you want to create an account, all you have to do is to come over here and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, now it will bring you to this place where you have to enter your full name and your details. Okay, and here you have a free 14-day trial hire talent. Come over here and put your name. Let's say my name is Chidera. Then come over here, you put your email. Okay, make sure you write down your email. Okay, then come here, if you have any company websites that you can put their website here. Let's say if you don't have any, you can still write WriterAccess. Okay, then here is phone number. Nigeria, you look for Nigeria. Just put your country country code and put your number. Okay, so you put your number. Then employees in your company, do you have any employees? Then if you don't have, you just select maybe 10 or less. Then are you an agency? I know, of course, as a new person, you don't have any agency, you don't know anything, like you don't have any clue. You say, okay, just say no, my company is not an agency. Then here, membership tier, you can choose to select basics. Yes, because this basic plan have $14 per month, which is the 14-day free trial. Okay, so you click on basic, then agree to their terms. Then once you have agreed to their terms, click on create an account. But before you create an account, here they will tell you, are you a writer or a dictator? Yes, you can click on this apply now. The second platform is crowd content. Yes, crowd content is an online platform that connects businesses needing written work with freelance writers. Clients in this particular platform post writing tasks like blog posts or product description. Writers pick the tags they want, then write the contents on that tags and get paid after the client approves the work. Now, this is a content writing service you can count on. Here, this is how you can use your professional content writing services to have engaging content created by highly experienced writers and editors. You can see that this particular website I'm sharing with you is a lesser known platform. Not everybody know about this platform, okay, and it is quite amazing. You can actually get paid from this particular platform. Yes, but I'm not assuring everybody is going to make the same amount of money per pages, but it depends on how diligent and dedicated you are while doing your work. Okay, so now this is why you will love your crowd content account. After you have created this account, it will scale and maintain the quality. Okay, the second thing is expert copy writers. Our rosters of writers is more than 5,000 strong and consists of skilled writers. Now, this particular platform are people that have enough skills in writings, people that can write out something, then when clients approve their works, they can now get paid and write more. Okay, now what this crowd content does is for clients, it does for writers, and it does for content types, people like blog posts, products pages, category description. Okay, now I know you'll be like, oh, this is a great opportunity for you. So how will I actually get started? Okay, so you can get started and create your account for free by simply clicking on this let's get started. So once you click on let's get started, you have to put in your name. Let's say my name is Dara. You put in your work email, then you put your phone number. Okay, so once you put it, you click on let's get started. Okay, once you click on let's get started, it will bring you to this interface where they'll have to verify that you are actually a human, because it's obviously they will need a verification to be sure that they are dealing with human and not a robot. Okay, so now this is where you have stellar accounts. So you have to choose account. Is it marketplace or sign out? You click on sign out. Once you click on this sign out, yes, it will bring you to this interface. Click on this sign up, then you start signing up. They will say, how can we actually help you? Because they really want to help you, and by the time you tell them what you want from them, they will actually be there to help you. Okay, so now these are what you can actually get started. Click on this get started now. Once you click on this get started now, start putting all your details, your first name, your work email, you create a password, then you click on sign up. Can you see that the sign up is actually for free? Yes, it is for free. Once you have created your account, then you can start following up with the pages. Okay, write and submit and all of that. So now this is how it works for clients. Let's say, for example, you actually got a client and you don't know how it works. The thing is that you have to create an order. First, you write down what you need, including your word count, every word you need, word for word, and the keywords, which is the SEO. Okay, then you fund your project. Once you fund your project, you add money to your account to pay for the work. Then you choose your method, you pick a specific writer. You can also use an open marketplace, sign off from this marketplace, and or you can hire a managed team. Okay, you can also review, you check the finished work after you have finished doing everything, writing everything, and before you submit, you ask for if there is any changes or approved. Then you now like to know more about how it can apply and all of that. So it's just very simple. If you need more details on how you can actually make use of this crowd content to create your content, to write down articles, create great content that will delight your visitors, search engine alike requires great skills, then let me know. So this is how you can actually make your content creation simple. The first thing is to do what? To go for content marketing place, leverage out self, a lot of things. So just go through this and you are going to see a lot of amazing ways you can actually write this thing. Now this is what they can actually help you with: product description, local SEO, city pages, to it. In case you need anything, they can going to help you with the best professional assistance you needed from them. If you need the website content, the blog content, the metadata, the review writing, the press release, anything you need for you to bring out a good work, then just click on any of it and it will provide you with the vital information. Okay, so now this is how you are going to place your order with your simple interface. You just do your one page order from they will ask you a few simple, these are all the things, how you can get started, how the content cater to you, a lot of things. So you can actually find the perfect writer for your business. Once these are the people that have completed their orders and have their words written very well and professional. So can you see them right now? This one is business and marketing, this one is for healthcare, this one is for entertainment. So these are professional people who has completed their orders very well, and they have been getting approved from their clients and a lot of them. Okay, so if you want more in-depth about this thing, let me know in the comment section, and like this video, subscribe to the channel if you want more tips like this, like more videos like this. Okay, so thank you, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Okay, bye.